Busch Light is a popular beer that many people enjoy, but if you're watching your calorie intake, you may be wondering how many calories are in a Busch Light. In this article, we will answer this question and provide you with some low-calorie Busch Light cocktail recipes that you can enjoy without packing on the pounds. How many calories in a Busch Light? A 12-ounce can of Busch Light contains around 95 calories. This makes it a low-calorie beer option that you can enjoy without worrying too much about your calorie intake. However, it's important to remember that drinking too much beer can still lead to weight gain and other negative health effects. How to enjoy Busch Light without packing on the pounds? Limit your intake. Stick to 1 or 2 beers to keep your calorie intake in check. Avoid high-calorie mixes. Avoid adding high-calorie mixes like sugary juices or sodas to your beer. Choose low-calorie mixes. Use low-calorie mixes like citrus fruits or fresh herbs to add flavor to your beer without adding too many calories. Low-calorie Busch Light cocktail recipes. Recipe 1, Beer Margarita. Recipe 2, Radler. Recipe 3, Shandy. Discover in description of the video the complete article on our blog with preparations of the recipes.
Don't forget to claim below the video in the description your online course about brain reboot, lose fat like crazy. It is not a strict diet, hard to keep, but a 7-step brain reboot. It's like a washing pressure for our insides, and we keep it fun and easy to apply. 1 video per day for 7 days to change forever your habits and reach the body shape that reflects your inner personality, provides you confidence, and makes you proud of yourself.